Oh yeah, now yeah. I tell you what. Oh yeah, now. Brainwash the old world, putting people under pressure, turning men into business, women into pleasure. They're trying to take our voice and even our face. Hitler's reincarnation trying to wipe out our race. The devil's in their mind and greed corrupt their heart. Power has them sick like a poisonous dart. 2000's not enough, they want 200 more years. But we no longer yield with long conquer fears. Brainwash, it's a serious thing. Pressuring my people, yeah, in your world of sin. Brainwash, it's a serious thing. Pressuring my people, yeah, in your world of sin. Oneness our only strength, there is no greater for us. Got no love in your heart, Zion will be close for you. Speak the truth, live good and burn out Babylon. You got to know yourself and where you're coming from. The devil's in their mind and greed corrupt their heart. Power has them sick like a poisonous dart. 2000's not enough, they want 200 more years. But we no longer yield with long conquer fears. Brainwash, it's a serious thing.
Dice el Aniol.
¿Qué te ha pasado, loco?
Me di vuelta en el salto el indio.
Brainwash, it's a serious thing. Pressuring my people, yeah, in your world of sin. Brainwash the whole world, putting people under pressure, turning men into business, women into pleasure. Oh yeah, now yeah. Oh yeah, now yeah.
It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine. Salt and pepper and heavy D up in the limousine. Hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack, Mr. Magic Molly Mall. I let my tape rock till my tape pop. Smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack with the hat to match. Remember rapping Duke? The hard. You never thought that hip hop would take it this far. Now I'm in the limelight cause I rhyme tight. Time to get paid, blow up like the world trade. Born sinner, the opposite of a winner. Remember when I used to eat sardines for dinner? Peace to Raw G, Brucey B, Kid Capri, Funk Master Flex, Love Bun, Star Ski. I'm blowing up like you thought I would. Call a crib, same number, same hood. It's all good. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga. I made a change from a common thief to up close and personal with Robin Leach. And I'm far from cheap. I smoke skunk with my peeps all day. Spread love, it's the Brooklyn way. The Moet and Alizé keep me pissy. Girls used to diss me, now they write letters cause they miss me. I never thought it could happen, this rapping stuff. I was too used to packing gats and stuff. Now honeys play me close like butter play toast. From the Mississippi down to the East Coast. Condos in Queens, ain't dope for weeks. Sold out seats to hear people small speak. Living life without fear. Putting 5 carats in my baby girl ear. Lunches, brunches, interviews by the pool. Considered a fool cause I dropped out of high school. Stereotypes of a black male misunderstood.